Okay guys, I've made a video before about some testnet before, so the node pay and the rest of them. So this one is about Layeredge. Layeredge is actually very interesting and it's very easy to do. So I encourage you guys to check it out, and then also just sign in. All you need to do is to come in every day, start it and claim and all of that. So it just continues to read. However, for now actually the testnet actually stopped, but it can start up anytime. So I encourage you to check it out. I will drop a link to it in the video description, but this is the web address, dashboard.layeredge is simply layeredge.io. And then when you go there, all you need is your MetaMask or your Phantom wallet to sign up. That's just, you don't need to sign up. Once you sign up, you start mining. It's as simple as that. There's no long story about it. So check it out. This is my code. You can also use this code to after signing up, you can use this code just as your referral. So guys, if you have question about Layeredge, let me know. Look at my earnings now. I'm at 1.37 million. But of course, this is just point. This is not the coin. Eventually, it's going to be recalculated, and I will know how much I'm getting. And then every day you simply come and you claim your reward. This place you see here, every day you come and claim your reward every day. And this is your referral code, and this number of people I've referred. So if you want to join, use my referral code to join and ask me any question you want below. Thank you. So these are people that are actually topping now. These are people, and then also there are other things, but I wouldn't want to bore you with this. These are the tasks that you can do, but some of the tasks have already closed, so you might not be able to do them. But you can do a few, which is this following on X, connecting your X and running a node. But the CLI and the OG past players, some of them are actually gone. They're no longer available. So, but don't worry about that one. Just do the ones that are available. These ones are no longer available, but don't worry about it. Just do the ones that are available, and then you can also wait for the airdrop so that you can claim. If you have any question about Layeredge, guys, don't lose out on Layeredge. Go sign up right now with your MetaMask or Phantom or whatever, Arabe wallet, whichever wallet is convenient for you. Sign up and then begin to mine. Thank you.